Welcome back to Backyard Oasis Inspo, your channel for discovering beautiful and achievable outdoor living designs. Today, we're diving into a topic close to many of our hearts and perhaps close to our homes quite literally, small garden landscaping ideas. The core philosophy behind successful small garden landscaping is making the most of every square inch. It's about smart design, clever illusions, and choosing elements that work hard, often performing double duty. Unlike vast landscapes where you might create sweeping gestures, small gardens thrive on detail, texture, and verticality. The feeling evoked is often one of coziness, seclusion, and curated beauty. It's your personal patch of green, a sanctuary crafted just for you. One of the key strategies is thinking vertically. When ground space is limited, look up. Vertical gardens, whether using wall-mounted planters, trellises with climbing vines, tiered planting shelves, or hanging baskets, draw the eye upward, creating a sense of spaciousness and adding layers of greenery without consuming valuable floor area. Imagine a living wall teeming with succulents or fragrant jasmine climbing a trellis. These elements add life, color, and even privacy. Container gardening is another cornerstone of small space landscaping. Pots, troughs, window boxes, and raised beds offer incredible flexibility. You can easily change arrangements, experiment with different plants seasonally, and control soil conditions precisely. Grouping containers of various sizes, textures, and complementary colors can create stunning focal points. Think about using containers to define different zones, perhaps separating a small seating area from a pathway. The materials of the containers themselves, terracotta, glazed ceramic, metal, wood, concrete, contribute significantly to the overall aesthetic, whether you lean towards rustic charm, modern minimalism, or vibrant bohemian style. Choosing the right plants is absolutely crucial. Opt for dwarf varieties of trees and shrubs that won't overwhelm the space. Look for plants with interesting foliage textures and colors that provide year-round interest. Columnar plants, which grow tall and narrow, are excellent choices. Consider climbers and trailing plants to soften edges and add vertical interest. Fragrant plants like lavender or gardenia can have a huge impact in a small, enclosed space, enhancing the sensory experience. Don't forget herbs and even compact vegetables. Small gardens can absolutely be productive as well as beautiful. Creating zones, even in a tiny area, helps to make the space feel larger and more functional. Use subtle changes in paving materials, low hedges, a strategically placed bench, or a cluster of pots to delineate different areas, such as a spot for morning coffee, a miniature herb garden, or simply a path leading the eye. Speaking of paths, curving pathways often create an illusion of greater distance compared to straight ones. Using materials like gravel, stepping stones, or narrow pavers can add texture and interest underfoot. Color palettes play a significant role. Lighter colors like whites, creams, pale blues, and soft greens tend to reflect light and make a space feel more open and airy. Painting boundary walls or fences in light hues can instantly brighten the area. However, don't shy away from bold pops of color in accessories, cushions, or flowering plants to create vibrant focal points and inject personality. Mirrors can also be a fantastic trick, strategically placed to reflect greenery or light, giving the impression of a larger garden beyond. We're about halfway through exploring these wonderful ideas for small gardens. Are you feeling inspired yet? Which concept, vertical gardening, container magic, clever zoning, or color tricks resonates most with your own space? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're enjoying this journey, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to Backyard Oasis Inspo so you don't miss our future design explorations. Furniture selection requires careful consideration. Opt for pieces that are proportionate to the space. Lightweight, foldable, or stackable furniture is practical. Built-in seating, like a bench integrated into a raised planter bed or along a boundary wall, can save precious floor space and provide hidden storage. Multifunctional pieces are golden, an ottoman that doubles as storage, or a side table that can also hold a plant pot. Choose materials that complement your overall design aesthetic and can withstand the elements. Lighting is another element that transforms a small garden, extending its usability into the evening and creating magical ambience. Consider string lights overhead for a festive feel, solar path lights to guide the way, uplighters to highlight feature plants or textures on a wall, and perhaps candles or lanterns for intimate gatherings. Soft, layered lighting is generally more effective and inviting than a single harsh overhead light. Water features, surprisingly, can work beautifully in small gardens. A compact wall fountain or a simple bubbling urn adds the soothing sound of moving water, masks unwanted background noise, and creates a tranquil focal point without demanding much space. The reflective quality of water also helps to bounce light around. The ultimate benefit of landscaping a small garden is creating a highly personalized and manageable outdoor room. Maintenance is typically less demanding than in larger yards, allowing you more time to simply relax and enjoy your creation. It encourages thoughtful design, where every plant and object has a purpose and contributes to the overall harmony. It's about quality over quantity, creating a concentrated dose of nature and beauty right outside your door. Consider potential challenges like drainage, especially in paved areas or container gardens, and ensure adequate solutions are in place. Assess the sunlight patterns accurately to choose plants that will thrive. Think about access for maintenance. Can you easily reach all areas? Planning these practical aspects ensures your beautiful small garden remains healthy and enjoyable long-term. So, embrace the constraints of your small garden. They often lead to the most creative and charming solutions. Think vertically, use containers wisely, choose plants carefully, define zones, play with color and light, and select furniture that fits. Your small space holds immense potential to become a true backyard oasis, a personal sanctuary reflecting your style and offering a daily dose of tranquility and beauty. Thank you for joining us today on Backyard Oasis Inspo. We hope these small garden landscaping ideas have sparked your imagination. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you're always updated with fresh inspiration for your outdoor space. Until next time, happy gardening!